Aslam alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about Pakistan progressing well on the indigenization of its Air Force and JF-17 Block 3. Thunder Block 3 has been developed with the latest version of F-16V fighter jet in mind as a benchmark. The new variant of JF-17 is being fitted with an AESA radar, helmet-mounted display and sight system. The JF-17 is a 4++ generation multi-role fighter aircraft being made in Pakistan with technology acquired from Chengdu Aircraft Co. of China. JF-17 Block 3 aircraft will also feature a new electronic warfare system, upgraded avionics including a 3-axis fly-by-wire digital flight control system, and a helmet-mounted display and sight system. The latest variant is expected to be powered by a better engine, as compared to Klimov Road 93 turbofan engine which has been fitted in Block I and II of the aircraft. The JF-17 Block 3 has an approximate combat radius of up to 2,000 km without refueling and can reach a maximum speed of up to 2,500 km per hour, without dropping fuel tanks. The Block 3 version, which has been in development for over 2 years now, is characterized by an active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar, helmet-mounted targeting system (HMS), and advanced targeting pod, data links and beyond visual range weapons. With its new integrated frontal infrared search and track sensor, the aircraft will have the capability for quick information sharing and network-enabled operations that facilitate earlier detection and interception of enemy aircraft. The HMS system will allow pilots to aim anything in his/her sight, whereas the AESA radar will augment the jet's capability, enabling it to engage from a longer range and attack multiple targets. The aircraft can alternatively be armed with air-to-air, air-to-surface, and anti-ship missiles. It will also be able to fire beyond visual range air-to-air missiles (BVRAAM). An unnamed BVRAAM has already been test-fired by the PAF a few months ago. The Block 3 version of the Thunder will allow information sharing between the fighter and other platforms. This will increase the efficacy of the entire combat system in defending against strong adversaries. The production of the aircraft is already underway. The Block 3 is expected to carry a price tag less than half the price of the latest generation F-16V fighter jet and features maneuverability and speed similar to that of the U.S. aircraft. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.